Paul Siffert, 1874 to 1957, was a French painter, illustrator, and lithographer, known for his classical composition, nudes, and portraiture. His work reflected the academic style and tradition prevalent in France at the time, demonstrating a mastery of form, color, and texture that placed him among the most celebrated artists of his generation. Born on 11 November 1874 in Paris, France, Siffert showed an early talent for art. His artistic journey began under the guidance of some of the most prominent academic painters of the late 19th century. He studied at the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, one of the foremost art 19th century institution in Europe, where he was a student of Jean-Louis Guillaume, a leading figure in academic art. Guillaume's influence on Siffert was profound, impacting a focus on realism, technical precision, and the human form, all of which become central of Siffert's artistic development. Siffert also received instruction from Gabriel Goy, another academic artist known for his detailed works of classical subjects and his skill rendering of the human figure. Under these masters, Siffert honed his skill in drawing and painting, adopting the rigorous techniques of the classical tradition. Paul Siffert's career flourishing during the Ballet Europe, a period of cultural and artistic prosperity in France that extended from the late 19th century to the outbreak of World War I. Siffert established himself as a painter of allegorical and historical subjects, but it was his depiction of the nude female figure that truly set him apart. His portrayals of women were often idealized yet infused with a scene of life and realism that distanced his work from his contemporaries. His nudes were classically posed and typically featured in technical, often pastoral setting, this composition reflecting his deep admiration for the works of the old masters, particularly those of the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Siffert's handling of light, combining with his meticulous attention of detail in rendering skin tones and textures, gave his painting a lemonious quality. Siffert's work also extended beyond painting. He was a skilled lithographer and produced numerous illustrations, which appeared in a variety of publications and as standalone prints. His lithographs often mirrored the themes found in his painting, focusing on classical and mythological subjects, as well as genre scenes. His ability to translate his detailed and precise style into lithography demonstrated his versatility as an artist. Throughout his career, Siffert exhibited regularly at the Salon des Artistes Francis, a prestigious annual exhibition held in Paris. His works were highly regarded and he received several honors for his contribution to the French art scenes. In 1902, he was awarded a third class medal at the Salon, followed by a second class medal in 1910. His constant presence at this exhibition earned him considerable acclaim and established him as a leading figure within the academic art world. In 1923, Siffert was appointed a Knight of the Legion of Honor, one of the highest civilian designation in France. This recognition further solidified his reputation as an significant artist of his time. Despite the shift in artistic trends during the early 20th century, with movements like Impressionism, Fauvism, and Cubism gaining prominence, Siffert remained committed to the academic tradition while modernist style dominated the avant-garde art scenes. Siffert's work continued to appeal to collectors and connoisseurs. All valued the classical ideals of beauty and form. His adherence to this traditional value, combined it with his technical prowess, ensured his continued success well into the 20th century. Paul Siffert passed away on 6 December 1957 in Paris, leaving behind a substantial body of work that includes painting, lithographs, and illustration. His